Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can add any button to link to your Facebook page. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video, write your comments. And let's get started. So friends, I want to show you the whole process from the very beginning. First of all, please open up your Facebook page. You can easily switch between your accounts and pages. To do that, you'll just need to go down on the bottom right to the menu section. And when you get to a page like this on the right here, click on this button. And you'll see all of your pages and accounts. And this is where you select the page that you want. Once you click on that, so that you can add any contact button that you want, go to the page itself. Then click on these three dots on the right-hand side and select the Edit Action option here in the page settings. Next, you'll have this button here that says Edit Action again. Click it. And this will take you to a page like this, where you can choose absolutely any of the provided tools to contact you. So it can be, for example, Facebook Messenger, or it can be WhatsApp, like I have, also calls, phone calls, also email. And you can choose. As said before, 1 or 2 buttons to contact you. But I'll tell you right away that unfortunately it's very rare that you can add 2 contact buttons to a page at once. And if you can do it, that would be great. Usually Facebook only allows 1 contact button. I don't know what that has to do with, but that's the way it is. So choose from the tools provided, the one that suits you best. Next, you just need to keep your phone number or keep your email, keep your code to confirm, for example, your WhatsApp or Messenger. And don't forget to save all your changes so that you can have a contact button like I have with WhatsApp. That's the very simple and quick way, friends, to add a contact button to your Facebook page. I hope this video helped you and was useful to you, friends. Please give your likes, write your comments, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.